We are TestEquity. For over 45 years, we've been the leading supplier of test solutions and electronic production supplies for the fields of aerospace and defense, automotive, medical, communications, education, and more. But this isn't about what you already know. This is an introduction to your new single-source supplier of everything you need, from concept to completion. The result of merging the expertise and knowledge of highly respected industry leaders into one trusted partner. Providing the right testing solutions and electronic production supplies, toolkits, and services exactly when and precisely where you need it. Welcome to the new TestEquity, home for all the test solutions and electronic production supplies needed to get your products off the ground.